Shutterstock Music.
First, I'm going to take my Abh Dipbrow and Ebony, my Eco Tools Spoolie, my Eco Tools Angle Brush, and I'm going to start by brushing out my brows. Then I'm going to take my Eco Tools Angle Brush and just outline the shape of my brows, under my brows, until I get that perfect shape that I want. And I'm going to be doing that with the light hand. You don't want to be pressing down too hard because the lines will look too harsh. You want it to look as natural as possible. And when I'm drawing in my brows and outlining them, I follow the shape of my brows. I don't make any false shapes around my brows because I want them to look as natural as possible. Then I'm going to draw in some angled lines at the front of my brows to just give it that natural look that I want.
Shutterstock Music.
Then I'm just going to go in with soft strokes and just continue filling in my brows, and then I'm going to brush them out. Then I'm going to go to my next brow and repeat the same steps.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
I'm going to take my LA Girl Concealer in medium beige, my Eco Tools Concealer Brush, and I'm going to underline my brows with concealer to kind of clean them up and give it the shape that I want. I start off by underlining a little bit further from my brow line in case I slip up a bit, and then I work my way up to the top. And I'm going to keep on underlining until I get all the way to under my brows.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
When I'm filling in the top of my brows, I don't put any more concealer on my brush. I just take what's left of the concealer that I used at the bottom, and I kind of go over the top as I did the bottom without getting too close to the top of my brow line. When I'm going for a more natural look, I don't do this, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to conceal the top of my brows.
Shutterstock Music.
Finally, I'm going to take my Brow Drama gel from Maybelline and just go over the top of my brows with that to kind of set them in place. Then I'm going to take this little buffer brush I had lying around and just kind of blend out the rest of the concealer that I had left over on my brows and just make sure it looks as natural as possible, and I'll blend it out. And then this is the finished product. This is my natural brow tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Shutterstock Music.